Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your faucet every 5 minutes and instantly pay you in faucet pay. This is a website I share with you. Okay, pay this much Dogecoin every 5 minutes and 20 time claim per day. Okay, just this website is very easy to solving a capture. Okay, put your ethereum Dogecoin wallet address, solve this little capture and solve this little capture. Okay, I go to my deposit, copy my Dogecoin wallet address, and this is my Dogecoin wallet address. Copy it and come here, paste it, and just type it there. Okay, fields there, and just type this one. Okay, solve it this capture too, and just click get reward and wait few seconds. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. Go to your faucet pay, copy your Dogecoin, just go to overview, and you can see I pasted my wallet address and I received my faucet crypto instantly in my faucet pay. This much Dogecoin satoshi every 5 minutes. You can come back and claim again. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.